Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free AWS account step by step so you can start learning and using cloud services without paying anything. The whole process will take only 5 to 10 minutes and you won't be charged anything as long as you stay within AWS Free Tiers limit, which I'll explain as we go. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working AWS account ready to use. So let's jump in. Now, before creating the account, let's quickly understand what AWS Free Tiers actually is. AWS provides certain services for free for new user, usually for the first 12 months after creating the account. This includes services like EC2 instances, storage, databases, and other beginner-friendly resources. But here's the important part. Not everything inside AWS is free. If you accidentally launch larger resources or leave services running for too long, you may start getting charged without realizing it. That's why understanding free tiers is extremely important for beginners. Now let's go ahead and create the account step by step. Open the browser and go to the AWS Free Tiers website. Once you're here, click on Create a Free Account. AWS will ask for basic information like your email address or account name. Once you fill out the information, click Verify Email Address. AWS will send a verification to your inbox, so go ahead and grab the code, come back here, enter it, and click Verify. Next, you will be asked to create a password for your root account. Your root account is the most powerful account in AWS. It has the full access of everything. So make sure to use a strong password, ideally with a mix of uppercase letter, lowercase numbers, and symbol. Now confirm the password and click continue. Now on this page, AWS will show you two account options, free and paid. Let me quickly explain the difference so you know exactly which one to choose. The free tiers account is perfect for beginners who are learning or just getting started with AWS. It gives you access to a larger number of AWS services at no cost for 12 months within a usage limits. And that's the option we are selecting today. The paid option is designed more for businesses and production workload where charges begin immediately based on the usage. For this tutorial, go ahead and select free one. Now here comes the part that usually makes people nervous, adding a credit card or debit card. Even though this is called a free account, AWS still requires a payment method for identity verification purposes. This does not mean AWS will automatically charge you. The card is mainly used for if you exceed free tier limits or use paid services. AWS may place a small temporary verification charges on your card, usually around $1, but this is automatically reversed within a few days. So go ahead and enter your credit card detail, confirm your billing address, and click Verify to continue. I'm going to pause the recording here while I complete the personal information section, and once that is done, we will continue with the next step. And just like that, your AWS account is now created. You should now see a confirmation screen. From here, click on Go to the AWS Management Console to log into your account. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you 3 very important beginner tips to help you to avoid unexpected AWS charges. Rule number 1, always look for free tiers eligible badge. Whenever you launch your services in AWS, double check whether it falls under free tiers. If you do not see free tiers labeled, there's a good chance the service may cost money. Rule number 2, stop and terminate resources when you're not using them. For an example, an EC2 instance that runs continuously for a long period could eventually exceed free tiers limit. So whenever you finish testing or practicing, make sure you clean up unused resources. Rule number 3, regularly check your billing dashboard. You can go to billing and cost management and monitor your free tier usage and estimate charges. This helps you to understand exactly how much of your free tiers you have used, so there is no surprises later. So overall, AWS Free Tiers is a great way to start learning cloud computing without spending money, as long as you understand the limit and manage your resources carefully. In the next video, I'll show you how to use AWS billing dashboard and a basic cloud monitoring tool so you can track usage, monitor your account, and stay within a free tier safely. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.